Hey everyone! Welcome to today's video on how to earn money on TikTok. With its explosive growth and massive user base, TikTok has become a platform where influencers and content creators can earn serious money. In this video, we'll go over the steps you can take to start earning money on TikTok, from building a following to monetizing your content. Step 1. Build your following. The first step to earning money on TikTok is to build a large following. This means creating content that resonates with your audience and consistently posting new videos. Use popular hashtags and participate in trends to increase your visibility and reach new viewers. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages, and consider collaborating with other creators to expand your reach. Step 2. Join the TikTok Creator Fund. The TikTok Creator Fund is a program that pays eligible creators for their content. To join the Creator Fund, you must have at least 100,000 followers, be over 18 years old, and meet other eligibility requirements. Once you're in the program, you'll earn money based on your video views and engagement metrics. Step 3. Partner with brands. Another way to earn money on TikTok is by partnering with brands. This can involve sponsored posts, product placements, and other forms of advertising. To attract brand partnerships, make sure your content aligns with the brand's values and target audience. Use the TikTok Creator Marketplace to connect with brands and negotiate deals. Step 4. Sell merchandise. If you have a strong following and loyal fanbase, you can also earn money by selling merchandise. This can include clothing, accessories, and other branded items. Use TikTok's built-in e-commerce tools or external platforms like Shopify to set up a storefront and start selling. Step 5. Provide consulting or coaching services. If you're an expert in a particular area, you can earn money by providing consulting or coaching services to other TikTok creators. This can involve providing feedback on content, helping with strategy and branding, and offering other forms of guidance. Use your following and expertise to attract clients and build your consulting business. Earning money on TikTok requires building a following, creating engaging content, and leveraging the platform's monetization options. By joining the Creator Fund, partnering with brands, selling merchandise, and providing consulting services, you can turn your TikTok account into a profitable business. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and insights on social media marketing.